Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install LinkedIn in laptop or PC in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Open it, and here in store we'll be having the search option. Just search for LinkedIn and we'll be having the LinkedIn option over here. Select it. And here you can see it has around 3000 ratings. Just click on get. This will take some time to download and install. Just be patient. So once it is installed, you will be having the open option here, and if you go to search and type LinkedIn, we'll be having the LinkedIn app. You can create a desktop shortcut or pin it to taskbar. After this, just open it. And that's it, we'll be getting the LinkedIn interface. You can simply sign in and start using it. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.